Hello and welcome. In this session, we shall learn as to how to analyze advances returns. An auditor has to certify various returns during the course of the bank audit. Some of those returns are advances returns. These advances returns are available in text format. These can be downloaded from the CBS environment with the help of the branch auditors, import into Excel and make an analysis. Now, these text files will be in this fashion. These cannot be analyzed as such. We can analyze by importing this text file into Excel. How to do that? Press Ctrl A, select all, Ctrl C, copy, open Excel. Open Excel. You paste it here, Ctrl V. Now, this bank prepares so many returns. Now we are dealing with one of the return. Remove these headings until these headings are not required for us. We will remove them, delete. This return is of standard assets of 1 lakh and above, excluding government guaranteed accounts, restructured accounts and staff advances with zero interest rate. Those are not there, but all the other standard assets which are more than 1 lakh are given in this return. These headings are also not required. We will remove them, delete. If we examine here, each record is in 6 lines. We need to bring them into one line for the purpose of our analysis. So select the B1 column and you write a simple formula is equal to this and this and this and this and this and this and press enter. So the headings are given in a single row. You copy this formula and paste here also in B8. So this is one record. So for copying, what we will do, here press Ctrl C, thereafter come here and press Ctrl V. Now what we need to do? What we need to do is, you copy this, Ctrl C, open a new sheet and right click and paste values only. Now you got the headers. Again go here and now we don't require this also, so I will delete them. Now this line is also not required, so I will delete. Sorry, I inserted, I need to delete this. Now here what we know is each of the record has starts with a account number. Here we have something unique as pipe symbol 1 and space. So I will copy this. Now what I will do is I will apply filter. Go to data and apply filter. Now here what I do is I will select this and find for contains this one, Ctrl V. Okay. So I got the first row of each record. Now I will go to B8 and go here B1, copy the formula, Ctrl C, come to B8 and Ctrl V. So the second record also got copied. You place near the fill handle and double click. Now what has happened is for all the records this has got copied. Now what we need to do is we need to select here, thereafter press Ctrl Shift and End. So all records got selected. Now right click and copy. Come here, place in A2 cell, then right click and paste as values only. Don't paste formulas, paste as values only. Now everything got recorded here. Now in the sheet, what you need to do is select the A column and go to text to columns. Go to text to columns. Before that, what we need to do is we need to copy this delimiter, that is pipe symbol. Ctrl C. Thereafter what you need to do is convert text to columns. This appears to be fixed with, no, it is a delimited. Next, the delimited is others and you copy the pipe symbol. Ctrl V. Next and finish. Now wherever there is pipe symbol, we got those divided into columns. Now select all these things and press double click. So the columns will be spaced as per the data content. Now select this and go to home, bold and center. And also you can use top and bottom borders or give top and bottom borders. Now this data appears to be somewhat meaningful. But here each of the data pieces contains a number of that record. Therefore what we need to do is we should remove these also. So for this purpose select this, thereafter Ctrl H and this one space you replace with null. So one will be deleted. Now select this and press Ctrl H. You have something called as two space, replace all. This get deleted. Next, go to this, Ctrl H, it is three space, replace all. Okay. Now go to this. Here you should be very careful. Here what has happened is this is space for space and replace all. So it got replaced. Now what we can see here is some are recognized as dates, but some are not recognized as dates. So in this to date, okay, and you insert a column. Thereafter apply filter, data filter, and you select all the text columns only. So here we will remove these things. So we are deselecting already those items which are recognized as dates. We will deselect them and only find those which are recognized as text. Now apply this is equal to date value and trim and this E2 bracket close, enter. Select the fill handle and apply. Now everything got this as selected as are converted into dates. So now you copy and what you will do is go to the starting and you paste it as values. Now everything got as dates. Now you can delete this column which is not necessary and remove the filter so that everything gets converted into dates. This is how you can do. Now coming here, this one is can be again split into two columns. Go to data, text to columns, fixed with next, and before that what we need to do is we need to insert columns here. We need to insert columns here. Now go to text to columns, thereafter next, thereafter next, and finish. Replace it, yes. So now you delete this, you delete this, and you delete this one. So you got it. You may center this, home, center, center. Now there is a date somewhere here also. Here also there is some date. So we will go here and we will insert a column. We will select this and say Control F, Control H. Thereafter find what? Find 20 space. 20 space. Replace it with null. Okay. Now 20 space, replace it with null. Now here also we have some text columns. Therefore what we need to do is apply filter, data, filter. Now go to the date, go to the date and select only those items which are recognized as a text. Select only those items which are recognized as a text. Which are recognized as text. Okay. What we need to do is, here we have something called as 20. So what we will do is, we will select only 20. These items are not necessary. So we will select all these and delete. Now we will find only those items which are recognized as text. Only those items which are recognized as text. And we don't need blanks also. Okay. So again what we will do is equal to date value, trim, and this one. Bracket close, enter. Now we will treat or format this cell as date and we will get this result. Go to fill handle, double click, copy and paste it as values. Change this column also as dates. Okay. Now everything is got as dates and we will delete this column and we will remove the filter. We will remove the filter. Now in between, let us say again we will format cells, go to date and select as date. Select as date. So everything got selected into dates. Now in this fashion you can modify other columns also wherein you have these unwanted numbers. Let us say here we will select and Control H and find, we shall find one capital A space. We will replace all with blanks. So this is done and we will close this. In this fashion we can remove all those numbers which are not necessary. Likewise, in all the columns I have made the modifications. Of course, I did not record it. You yourself can modify those things as per the procedure which has been demonstrated in this video at an earlier point of time. Now, you can also tweak some of these items. All these things are appears to be amounts. Go to home, place commas. You got two decimal places. You can remove those two decimal places. Likewise, you can center this. Center. Therefore, data appears to be more meaningful or more readable. And these things appears to be okay. Now we will start our analysis. You can do a lot of things. I don't think this serial number is necessary for us. We can delete this. This is account ID and you can center this. Now what we will do? Do you want to know how many individual SSEs are there? Therefore apply filter and you will find that how many individuals are there? There are 3082 individuals. Again, are you interested in knowing how many female borrowers are there? Good. 890 female members are there. Do you want to know how many male members are there? 2192 male borrowers are there. Do you want to know something called as how many limited liability partnerships? We will do one thing. We will go for how many limited liability companies are there, because for corporate borrowers you have something like that, limited liability. But however, the company name is not appearing, but a borrower name is a individual name appears here. So you can inquire about this as to why this is marked as a limited liability. Now, how many self-help groups are there? We have something like 149 self-help groups are there. Now, apply filter. You want to know what is the last date of credit? You want to know what is the last date of credit. So here we will apply a date filter and we will just check for the last 3 months what are all the accounts in which there is no credit. For that we will apply a date filter which states that before 1st January 2014, because this text file is as on 31/3/2014 is before. So we get those details wherein these credits, the account has a credit which is prior to 1st of January 2014. So in all these accounts for the last 3 months there is no credit. That you can know. Now we will remove this filter and again check for some other things, like do you want to know what is the irregular, or do you want to know as to insurance expiry dates? Insurance expiry dates. Here you have something, insurance expiry dates. You select those items wherein the insurance is expired. Now in all these items insurance got expired. In all these items insurance got expired. Next there is something as 441,975. What is this? We will convert it into date. We will convert it into date. It is converted into date. For this, insurance is expired as on December 2nd of and it will expire in December 2nd 2014. Now select all. Do you want to know from when this account is irregular? For that purpose, we will select this. So these accounts are irregular from the dates given herein. In the same fashion, you can analyze many things from this statement which we have converted from text to Excel. You can also do one thing. What you can do is select this and insert pivot table, select OK. Okay. Let's say we will take this. And insert pivot table and press OK, or select this pivot table and OK. So we got it. We got the pivot table. Now in this, what we will do is we will take the outstanding amount. Where is the outstanding amount? Where is the outstanding limit? DP. This is the outstanding. We will take it to rows. And again we will take the outstanding, again outstanding, and again outstanding. Now what we will do is, this is values, and this we will take it as count. This we will take it as percentage. This we will take it as percentage, and this we will take it as grouping. Group with let's say some 50 lakhs. So we have 40 to 50 lakhs. This much amount is outstanding, and the number of accounts are 3,401 accounts, comprising of 88.63% of the total outstanding. You have only two accounts between 50 lakhs and 1 crore, and only one account between 6 crores to 6 crores 50 lakhs or something like that. What is this? 6 crores. Okay, this is a stratification of data. You want to know all these accounts? What is this account? Double click here, you get the details of the account. Next, what else can we do? In the same fashion, we can do a lot of things. Let us say we will remove this and we will place a product code here. So this product code has 248 accounts. If we want to know what is this product code, what we will do is we will double click this, and you will get the details of this accounts of wherein this is the product code. So in the same fashion, you can make whatever type of analysis you want to do by converting this text file of return of advances into your Excel and make analysis. It depends upon your audit objective. Friends, hope this session is useful to you, and this will assist you in conduct of efficient audit. Thanks for watching.